Find angle PQR below. Now, I would like to make a small illustration as we start. Now, look at this. Look at this shape. This is like a Z shape, right? Z in this form. Now, if you have a line like this, parallel to another line like this, then the angles at the elbow point here, along with the angle at this elbow point, are alternate angles. So when you have a Z shape like this of two parallel lines, then the angles at the elbow point, they are alternate angles, and alternate angles are equal. So with that now, if we look at these two lines, this line here is parallel to this line. You can see the arrow marks. So this line is parallel to this line. So if we trace the line, we'll see this Z elbow there. This is the Z shape. So this elbow side here, which is 50, will also be equal to the elbow side that we have here. And that will be 50 degrees because alternate angles are equal. All right, now let's look at this tangent. This is the tangent QRS. Now, if you look at this tangent, there's this chord of the circle PR. So the chord of this circle, one of the chord PR, is making this angle with the chord. With the tangent. So this chord PR makes this angle with this tangent. A tangent is an external line that touches a circle. So this external line with this tangent and this chord together make this angle that we have here. In the same way, the chord now in the triangle, in the circle, if you trace the chord in the circle and trace the triangle that the chord form, this is the triangle that the chord form, triangle PTR. Now, the angle that is opposite to this chord, and that is angle 85 degree, opposite to this chord in a triangle now, is 85 degree. This same 85 degree will be equal to the angle that the chord makes with the tangent, 85 degree. Why? The reason is that angle in alternate segments are equal. So that is the theorem. Angles in alternate segments are equal. So the angle that a chord makes with a tangent is equal to the opposite angle that the chord makes inside the triangle that it forms in the circle. And that reason is simply angles in alternate segments are equal. Then now, don't forget, we are also look for angle PQR. And that is this angle here, PQR. This is the angle that we are looking for. So you agree with me that PQR plus 50 degree plus 85 degree all together sum up to 180 degree. Why? Because sum of angles in a triangle add up to 180 degree. So these three angles, as I've written them here, add up to 180 degrees. So that PQR plus 50 plus 85 will give us 135 degree. And that will be equal to 180 degrees. So that PQR will be equal to 180 minus 135. When this plus 135 comes to this side, it becomes minus 135. So from there, angle PQR will be equal to 45 degrees. 180 minus 135 is 45 degrees as the final answer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, and join for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.